I'm a CSUMB servicer with Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I will be teaching you how to make a paper boat for fun. And if you've ever wanted to know how to make one, this is the video. So in the end, we will have this. Very beautiful. You can even put it in the water if you like, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's first start with materials. Okay, so first let's start off with materials. The first thing you're gonna need is one piece of paper, and it can be binder paper, construction paper, which I would go with that option, especially like colored paper. It would just look better aesthetically, and or any kind of paper you have lying around that is square, rectangular shape. I'll be using this one. It already has a design, and let's get started with step one. All right, so let's get started with step one. Step one requires us to do the first fold. Let's do that, and that would be folding it in half, like so. And then we're gonna want to fold it one more time. There you go, and then turn it this way. Oh, this is important. You want to have these flaps facing you. And now you should have it this way with the crease in the middle and the flaps facing you. And the next step is to fold it right at the line that you made in the beginning. Just gonna follow that line right there. There you go. Next, I'm gonna pull these up. Then flip it over and do the same thing. Perfect. I'm just gonna try to match it a little better. All right. So now I have sort of a little hat. You're gonna wanna open it and flip it this way. With these flaps right here, you're just gonna tuck it in. Do the same thing on the other side. Tuck in that flap, go, and now push that down. You have a diamond. Right, perfect. Next, you're gonna go like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. Now this way. And again, we're gonna open it up. We have another little hat, and once again, push it, flatten it like this. We have the diamond once again. Here we go. Now, we're just gonna open it. Let's go ahead and do that. Go. Now, open up the bottom a little bit so that I can stand and be stable. This. Perfect. Our finished product is this gorgeous green boat. I hope you guys had fun, and you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.